Hello guys, do you want to have a sassy navigation menu just like this, which will keep your users well interacted and will enjoy their presence in your website? We need to open the CodePen.io where we are going to put all our code. We will click on a pen and then we will have a new pen which I will call sassy navigation menu CSS transition model. So we're going to start with typing our HTML code, which will be in the very beginning. Then we need to customize it, format it, and just transfer it onto our website, and you will see how this will happen right away. We'll call this navigation toggle or nav toggle. And we'll have another one which is ID, and we'll put it as a menu so we can have a custom ID so we know what we are doing. And let's put some stuff that we want to see in our menu, like a home page or about page or about us or work for us or contact us. Let's do it now. Right, so it's very important to remember the name of your class, which is nav toggle, because we are going to do some CSS at the moment. And then we need to make a quick trick here, which you will see right in the CodePen.io, because it gives you a compiler for the sassy CSS. So let's get started. Let's go on the icon, which is our next class here. And let's put a background color, which I personally prefer to be black color or darker. So let's do it this way. Now let's do some custom settings regarding the menu, which is an ID. You can manipulate this. I always prefer my text to be centered, well, to be aligned in the center, but you can keep it as this one can be easily left or right, but I'll keep it center for myself. And now there is one last thing that we need to do. Firstly, we will save our project, because not saving the project can lead to drama, which we don't want. Then, because we have loads of sassy or SCSS, we need to compile it properly. So we're gonna compile it from here. We will save and close, and you will see why this is important. Right, we have the HTML, so now what we need to do is to make it actually functional and to do some job properly. So we need to add some JavaScript here, specific function that will make our menu look like this. And let's see what the final result will look like. So this is our menu. So now what we need to do is we need to transfer this onto our website. We need to open the unlimited elements. It's a free plugin. There's nothing for you to worry about. Just click on widgets. Then we'll add a new widget. Then we'll edit it. And we'll need to transfer this code into our dedicated HTML, CSS and JavaScript boxes, right? Let's delete all this. It comes quick custom. As you can see, we have some issue. It's not opening as what you saw in the very beginning of the video. So it's not opening, it's not doing anything. So let's do some changes here. So we can add a query selector, then we can put an event listener which will listen for is for the click. Let's do it document dot query selector. and we will get the element by its ID, which will be menu, as you can remember. And we will just delete the class from here, toggle, which will be active. And now our JavaScript code should work perfectly fine. Let's see. And there it is. Perfectly fine. Home, about, work, contact. Well, also you can see we can easily change it. We can put about us or work for us, contact us. Let's test it. We can change the, you can see what's the spacing here. So if we go back here and we look for the letter spacing, we can do it with 0.3 and see what will happen. Can you see it's shrinking straight away, or we can do it 0.1 just a little bit, and looks much better actually in this case. Anyway, so let's go and copy all these nice stylish navigation menu into our unlimited elements. Now, with regards to the CSS, we can't just copy the CSS and paste it as it is, because this is a sassy CSS code and it needs to be compiled properly for our WordPress so it can read. So we'll click on this gear icon here. We have the CSS, the sassy CSS, so we'll leave it as it is. Then we will click on here and we will see view compiled CSS. Right, so it will give us the compiled CSS, and then much easier, we can easily type it as a compiled CSS. You can see enough toggle icon before, after, so this all can be written by hand, so there is nothing to worry about if you don't want to use CodePen.io, but I don't see a reason why not when it's free. And it's extremely comfortable and important tool for your programming journey. If you're not a programmer, you can just copy paste it from my or any other profile and just enjoy it. So we will copy and paste it over here. Let's update. So navigation menu CSS transition is the name of our element. So we are going to open a new page. We are going to create a test page. And now we're going to click on here and choose our element, which is the navigation menu CSS. Let's paste it over here, and there it is, our navigation menu. So let's update this one. And let's see how it will be visible without any formatting or anything like this. Let's click on the page. And voila, we have the menu. We just need to have it here, so use the href tag in HTML so we can link it to actual pages if we want to. Otherwise we can easily just go back to our unlimited elements editor, which is not here, but I can show you here as well. Let's go back to our unlimited elements. And then when we go here, and now if we update, so this means this will lead to the home page. So let's update now. Let's go back in our pages. Where is the custom page, the navigation menu custom page? I'll open it now. So when I click on home, I should go back into the menu, which we will discuss in the future how we are going to do it. In the project section, you will be able to find all these important links towards my CodePen.io, but the website needs a bit of updating, so I'm gonna do this in a timely manner. Hope you stay safe, guys. Look after yourself, enjoy coding, enjoy all the projects and everything. Keep creating beautiful stuff. That's why I'm here to show you. If you find this video nice and good for you and for your future practice or for your website and for your clients and viewers, like it please, because it's important for the YouTube algorithm to push these videos to more people. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.